This is a message to every woman that loves herself. Take care of yourself. Love yourself. Stand for yourself. Be happy. Stay alive for those that love you. You're a woman here. Your tears is over. Your tears. Stop crying. Stay healthy. Do exercise. Eat well. Look beautiful. Listen to me. This life no balance. Problem no they finish. Don't try to be the savior, because anybody that wants to save everybody shall die. You can't be the El Shaddai, because if you are the El Shaddai, one day the El Shaddai shall die. Save yourself. Be happy. Love who love you. Give attention to who give you attention. Respect who respect you. Honor who honor you. Submit to those that submit to you. Stay with those that want you. It is annoying when you are loving someone who don't want you, to whom brain is given, sense is expected.
سمكتين لا زال عالمي عشايرك لا زال عالم وبتين لا زال عالمي عارقينك لا زال عالم سمكتين لا زال عالمي عشايرك لا زال عالم وبتين لا زال عالم